Ethereum, the Bitcoin, all
Solana
of that.
stuff,
Mate,
yeah.
I just caught the top of the Bitcoin market. Just see you later. Like, there's other people thinking, here he comes, like, everyone's cashing out.
Sell.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, fuck, I've just gave you 50 grand now, can't Oh, mate, you've double bluffed me there, haven't you? Oh, keep that in.
Yeah, keep
that in.
And
I dare you. Yeah. Ooh, someone's going to be here.
He's had half a Bravo. So we're going to do another Alpha Reacts. Welcome back. These were quite fun last time. It's your first one.
Yeah, I've
so
never done this before.
You'll probably like some of these.
I don't even know what to expect.
You'll have a bit of fun.
They should be funny.
What's going on here?
So I'll press go. First one.
Whoa.
Solo bar.
There you go. That's like the little man in the big players market.
Withdraw.
I love all
The
this.
real trading market. Leverage.
Yeah, that's normally the incoming, isn't it?
Do you know what I love about that, which is very relevant to trading? The fact that the second one he got smacked. The first time he went up there, he got smacked about, and he couldn't wait to go back for more as well. You know what I mean? What did he think the geezer was going to do to him straight after?
I'm not having different.
And also the reactions of the small guy as well. He should be a boxer. That was cool.
Yeah, he was quick. I didn't see the first one say demo and then the second one was real.
Exactly. Which is what we talked about earlier. Isn't it?
I
You
missed that.
can have as best run as you can when it's not for real.
Demo, and then you
As
hit
soon as you
the
put the
high
real
market.
money up there.
I don't think there's
Straight
a man
round here.
in the world that has not won on a demo account.
There's different buttons on those demos.
Bro, you're down $5,000, bro. What are you doing?
What about it?
Bro, why are you so nonchalant about it, bro? You're about to blow your funded.
It's not that deep.
Bro, so how are you so nonchalant?
I mean, just trading is never that serious, bro. Like, in the wise words of Gandhi, you set a stop loss. I just expected to lose, so I never said.
Have we got this guy signed up?
Bro, Gandhi never
I
said
never
that. What are you talking about? Yo, Pat, how's that trade looking, bro?
Oh, fuck the trade. Yeah, let me try.
Oh, shit, dude.
Spec in a new
Master
Lambo.
TP like that? Alright. What the fuck?
Can I just, because social media is fucking bonkers these days, can I just clarify that they're not being serious there, are they? The geezer don't think it's pulled out.
They're actually really funny, those two.
Yeah.
I do actually follow them and watch them because they do crack me up.
But it is a classic. There are people out there that don't take it seriously and it doesn't matter to them.
Yeah.
And literally,
And they have their first winning trade and they start specking a Lambo.
yeah,
Which is not what you should do.
it's not the way. And here we go. We've got the Lambo. Here we go. The yellow Lambo.
I was going to ask them at the
The yellow
start of that
car.
one what nonchalant means as well. 'Cause I didn't have a clue. What's the deal?
Stop it.
I'm making blue right now. Oh, shit. I just dropped my phone making $27,000 on Round 100. I can't reach because of my rich Millie. $1 edition.
There's got to be a half a million when he finds it. Isn't he? Sure.
I can move the seats back on my Lamborghini Urus 2021 model. Wait. Got it.
That's funny.
I like that guy. So he deserves to have a lot of followers
that
and
one
make
was
money
funny.
from being an influencer.
I think
There's a lot of pracs about, but he's actually
That one
quite
was
funny.
actually funny.
Make it comical.
There's a serious point there, isn't it, as well. Like, if you're doing it and you're big size, make sure you're in an environment that you ain't going to lose your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it-
I mean, no one's ever said if you're going to trade, don't drop your blower to me. But
Okay, guys, today we can't tell anybody we are trading.
Why that? We have plans of using the U.S. government account, so we can't lose.
So we are doing insider trading?
Yes, but we need to stay quiet.
Okay, guys, let's trade some Euro USD.
I'm going short.
Okay, me too.
I need to win so I can get a Bugatti number 2.
Okay, let's wait.
What is going on?
Okay, Sleepy Joe, press the button.
Sleepy Joe, press the goddamn button.
I can't, guys.
Yes, you can.
Sleepy Joe, if you do not press the goddamn button, I will press mine.
What button?
Shush!
Okay, chill.
Thank you, Sleepy Joe.
Just on time, dummy.
that's brilliant.
That's creative.
That's absolutely brilliant.
we've got a few of those, haven't we?
Way too many of those.
we'd always pause that. Remember, Drew, you wouldn't know this probably.
Tell me the relevance.
Do you remember
of that?
the
I
old?
didn't even get it.
Do you remember the old arcade game when we were growing up, track and field, and you would have to go out to get the
Yeah, I do remember track and field. Yeah,
this is what we're
you used to lube your finger up, didn't you, rubbing on the old PlayStation. But I don't get the relevance of that.
We've got a few of these in the accounts.
That is someone just hitting sell. So they're going sell. They're just, these are all positions they've entered. But what's even I don't know whether it's funny or not funny, but
it's just confusing. But
the amount of people that we actually have that do this, we've had to implement a no spamming rule so that we don't have people that do 20 trades in 5 seconds.
But don't you think they just might have lost a bit of Wi-Fi? And just fucking executes.
They've lost a bit of something.
It could be that. It could be that. I don't. Yeah.
When that spamming rule came out, I can believe it. So it came out a couple of weeks after I'd done a risk review. So, well, why don't you just scale your account a bit? You know, like do a one lot here and a one lot there.
One lot.
Yeah, I know.
With some gap.
And all of a sudden, this guy's going, I'm getting done for spamming. I went, let's have a look.
Like
every second there's about three trades. What's going on?
It's not. Some people take it to the extreme.
How did you know about track and field? I thought you were more like Commodore 64. She's staying over there.
Atari, isn't it?
I was just trying to work out. You must be like 45 when track and field come out. Fucking weirdo. Shit, no. His missus like, come Planty, we've got to go out for dinner. He's like, oh, we've got to go to your daughter's graduation.
Oh, fucking hell. New trader, but always lost.
Oh, it's making me feel sick.
With a red.
Geezer's just got mad COVID, hasn't he? What was that about?
I thought, do you know what I was expecting then? No, we was just talking about the golf. Like when you could have 18, like you could play 18 holes. 17 holes are awful, and then your last 18th is a blinder, and you end on like a massive. Oh, it's the best thing. I'm the best golfer. And it's like I thought that was going to be lost for like weeks as one trade. Is like the god of trading or something.
Yeah, I'm still
not
understanding the relevance to the field. I'm just watching some dude ball it.
Should we be saying that it can be hard work? Should we be nice here and not just thinking it's funny?
Yeah.
I think we're all overrating the video a little bit. Like, it didn't have any relevance to anything. Like, all trying to find the meaning to it.
There you go. Yeah, it's actually 10 flips. So you're doubling your money here, because I do this all the time. And if you're going to gamble, 2 to the power of 10 is
I'm always interested in this. Yeah.
Right.
So sorry, say that again. Go on.
2 to the power of 10 is 1,024.
Break that down for me in English.
Right. That's what they're doing here. This is someone if they double your money all the time.
Yeah.
2 to the power of 10 in the world is relevant. Do you know why?
What are you saying? What's 2 to the power of 10?
Right. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. If you do it 10 times, you get to 1,024.
Oh,
right.
I should have said that.
What have you heard about in computing world? 1 megabyte. That's 1,000 bytes. So when computers work, it's plus. It's 0 or 1. It's flipping a coin. So if you flip a coin 10 times, you get to a megabyte. A megabyte is actually 1,024 bytes. See, you've learnt something today. How about that?
Have I? Fucking.
This is literally all about the gambler. You can become a millionaire straight away if you can get.
Yeah, I've heard that. Yeah,
that's what it's all about.
Like a meme of this, where it was, someone seriously on a podcast going, like, all you got to do is flip this 10 times, then you're a millionaire.
Take a grain of salt.
There was like this meme of someone going, yeah, well, and if you flip it 5,000 times in 5 seconds, then you'll be a trillionaire.
No, but hold on. If you flip what? How much money do you start with?
He's starting with 500.
If you just flip 500.
Yeah, that's too much.
If you start with a pound,
that's
you've
too
got
much. No one
1,024.
starts heads or tails and $500.
Yeah, but start with a dollar. You end up with 1,024.
You bet when your mates down a boozer like a tenner score. No one's ever come straight in at $500. Have they? That's a night ruiner.
How about this one? This year's bonus, right? I want you to give me £1 penny.
Yeah.
But I want you to be able to double it. I want to be able to double it 20 times in a row. Will you do it?
And would you have the opportunity to lose though?
Hold on, you've got my attention. Start again. Bring it back.
You want to say
I've got to give you a quid.
Let's start off with a penny. Just to see 1 penny. Right.
Yep.
Right. Would you rather give me? What would you rather give me? 50 grand as a bonus. Not that you're ever going to do that.
Yeah, you're going to.
Or going to have the opportunity of having a penny doubled 20 times in a row.
Just by the way that you've asked me the question, I'm going to settle you up 50 grand here and now, right? But now I want to know the answer.
Yeah,
what is the outcome of that?
If you do it 10 times, you get 1,024, right? And then if you do it another 10 times, you'll have over a million. So a million times a penny, even that would be What would that be? Yeah. That'd be 10 grand, wouldn't it? We'll start on a pound. Yeah, we'll do it on a pound.
Start on a pound.
Right?
Yeah,
start on
exactly.
a pound.
Fuck! I've just gave you 50 grand now,
But even so,
oh mate, you've double bluffed me there, haven't you?
I'm trying to remember.
I could have gave you 20p. I've ended up giving you 50 bags.
Just remember, doubling something 20 times in a row is $1 million.
Yeah, but more importantly, a pound. Yeah,
Pound.
not a penny.
I know, I'm just trying to. Because I'm trying to.
Trying to save us.
Because a million pennies, yeah, it's not a million pounds. Welcome to our chief analyst.
Chief macro and
But
chief combat.
remember, what did we say earlier? It's not about the strategy, it's the psychology. And I got you into
You
the 50
did.
grand.
No, fair
so
enough.
well
Hey,
done.
fair play.
You
Tell me
did,
that.
you
Yeah.
did.
Anyway, that's what happens here.
Jesus. All you need is 11 flips.
Is he getting there yet? Woo. Right then, chief analyst style then. Serious point is,
our clip would be better.
serious point is that is, well, for 500, it's still 20 to 1 times against you for that to happen. Isn't it?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That I understand.
That's what's really
Yeah.
bad. So yeah, every now and again someone's going to do it, but it happens at
Great
best.
animation, but yeah,
it's going to
complete
happen very, very rarely.
No, it's more than 20 to 1 against you. Much
20 to 1
more.
payout for what they were saying there, but the but in terms of the thing, it's 1,024 against
the
you.
probability of hitting that.
Yeah,
on a
there's no
50-50
chance.
flip. Yeah.
It's not down my casino anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so here we can see that it created a higher high, higher low, higher low.
It's quite good.
High, higher low.
I'll tell you what, I might be better off using that.
Higher low, equal high.
The cathedral peak
A lower
strategy.
low, so that's the change of character.
Yeah,
so
I
you
like
go
that.
for retracement at the
Look at the technical analyst loving
he's
this
going,
as well.
he's trying to calculate the fib retracement.
It is on a church.
lower high, lower low, lower high.
No, it's not that. It's just that I've seen ICT as one of the gods on the tower.
You didn't know who ICT was a few months ago. You're
I
obsessed.
didn't.
Yeah,
I'm obsessed
yeah,
with it.
He loves
Yeah,
ICT.
it's caught your nut now,
Oh,
isn't it?
it's
Yeah,
fucking
big
is in
time.
my grid.
The
He's
influencer.
properly in my grid
Yeah.
on the basis of what I say. I've been around 30 years with all that shit out there forevermore, and now all of a sudden there's one guy that's done it all. It's incredible.
Yeah, and now he's kicking about in your head, isn't he?
He's on
trying to
Twitter.
go
You
to
can
sleep.
tweet.
I could
He's
actually,
public.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
That's Jeff, isn't it? Is that Jeff?
Yes.
Here's Mr. Bezos.
He must be gutted he's not the first bloke walking in space.
Very good. Very
Can I
good.
show that what happened there?
That's good. Yeah, bring it back,
That's
George.
funny, that one.
The best thing about that, the knocking 32 chair, isn't it?
Even his laugh was budget.
Oh, brilliant.
Very good.
Oh, that needs
Mate,
to
people must go to like.
Some people are
Where'd they
really
get
funny. Genuinely funny.
The crypto market.
Guilty.
Not mentioning any names then.
Hey kid, get in my van and I'll give you some candy.
Oh, no, I shouldn't.
Hey kid, get in my van and I'll give you some candy.
Okay.
Random crypto. Rug pull.
That exact same thing happened to me. I didn't get picked up by a geezer in a van, but I missed out.
wondering where he was going
Yeah,
with
exactly. No, yeah, that's
another story.
Yeah, exactly.
That's another story.
That one's from my therapist. But crypto took off, and I kept. You probably the same with this. I kept getting told about it for like a decade.
Did you get into it?
Well,
At the peak?
I've done what he did there. Yeah, so I opened one of those. I'm trying to think what they're called now. What was the main Coinbase? Listed over in the US, didn't they? So I went on to Coinbase. Really ploughed into it, buying all the. I think it was the top 10. Like, what was it? Ethereum, the Bitcoin, all
Solana
of that.
and
Mate,
stuff,
I just caught the top of the Bitcoin market. Just see you later. Like, but I think like when I'm getting in, there's other people thinking, here he comes. Like, everyone's cashing out. Bosh, yeah, I took a real big hit there. Then I only had like a couple of grand left, but I just sell it. I think I needed to go and buy something, so I closed it all out. Bosh, the thing just fucking rallies out of control.
I know, we did an annual competition of
I
pick
can't
the
stand
asset at Peel Hunt, what's going to win, and nobody did it, and crypto was up like 1,000% on the year. So did it again, and I said, right, 1,000% again. And they're all going like, everyone's taking the piss. The CEO's around going like, that's ridiculous. I said, well, it's moving. It's in a breakout thing. And look, it went up 7,000 times since that.
It's incredible, man.
It was a mental move, but it's set up to do
market.
that. It's minimum supply. If you've got no supply and you've got demand, it's going to go up, isn't it?
Coinbase must have been looking at me, all the support staff there, thinking I've got the fucking big old red nose on, like Claire, big old shoes on. Here he comes.
Here he comes.
Yeah.
Dump the market.
Opens his motor, the door falls off.
He's withdrawing. Pump.
Stick to the original boy. That's the one that will win.
How to get 1,000%. Spamming. 0.1 lot as well.
I'm going to try this spamming. It's alright. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks
Spam a lot.
There's something quite therapeutic about watching a bit of spamming, isn't there? I'm definitely trying it now.
Yeah, but now it's got close on.
On 500.
Yeah, our demo accounts. If you were doing that, how far would they go?
I don't really get it.
It depends.
Would it allow you to do that?
You could do as many until the leverage or margin requirements was like at its limit.
Even on the practice account.
Yeah.
Right, last one. Let's watch this.
When it comes to trading higher time frame, like you said, that could be 1 to 2 weeks worth of price action before it delivers into your POI. 1, you can't be waiting that long to execute a position. 2, price doesn't always fill in that inefficiency on the higher time frame. So it's what's in the lower time frame that's quite important, because you can trade to that discount or trade to that premium.
A lot of things can be solved by technical competence, and that's just time in the game, as opposed to what I see traders doing is bounce from technical strategy to one to another. Nothing really sticks for them, so they scapegoat the whole situation and say, must be my psychology. It's one of the biggest debates in the trading community. Some people say trading is 99% technicals, others say trading is 99% psychology. Where do you fall on that spectrum of technicals versus psychology?
Back in the day, I would say I was 80% psychology and 20% technicals. Now it's completely different. Now I would say it's, when it comes to trading, I don't want to be too psychologically involved in the market. I want to have my rules set. If price ticks off my boxes, I'm in. If it's stop loss, if it's take profit, I'm in and I'm out. As for the higher time frame approach, I'm holding that position. I don't know what the position is doing halfway through me being in the middle of something else. And then at the back of my head is like, oh, checking your position. Are you happy with the returns? Oh, consider closing it, partially out, de-risk.
When it comes to fundamentals, technicals, supply and demand, all of these kind of things, what are the most important things to focus on?
I have something called the 5-minute strategy. Now, this is a gem I'm about to drop, guys, so if you want to backtest it, go ahead and do that. But what I do is,
I like that.
That was a good value.
Yeah, I like that. It's got our man Wacko on it as well.
Good podcast.
Shout out to Wacko.
Shout out.
Is there a one shot? Is there a holy grail?
I don't think so. Well,
Probably
one specific thing that works all the time. No.
No,
But,
it's not.
But there's a lot of ways to skin a cat. And
Yeah, I don't think this is what I keep saying. There's everybody's strategy is in the market at the same time.
Yeah.
Sometimes your strategy is in the upper, it's backed, and that's what people are doing.
But like they said, like psychology, me and you could both trade the exact same strategy,
Yeah.
but our emotions and
Will
approach
make
to
us
risk
change it completely.
You could win, I could lose, I could win, you could lose, but we take the same entry on the exact same trade.
I mean, we try with the risk reviews and chatting around is to try to get the kid to the pit where he was in the gym, and if you can desensitise so that you don't mind whether your target price gets hit and your stop loss because you know you trust your strategy, that is stress-free time.
Yeah.
Then you should be on your way to making some money.
Yeah. Last one, because this one I know this guy. It's fun.
It's a good look,
I
really.
like the gooch.
Yeah.
I like the
He looks familiar already.
I know the gooch.
It's a beautiful, very handsome man.
We'll end on this one.
I don't understand why people are not so committed to trading. I spend hours trading gold. I spend hours trading Euro USD. And also, I trade my car. I sell what I have to buy a new car, a better one. And the same thing with my wife. I sell my wife to get another wife or a better wife. You see? I'm trying to think and apply all the knowledge that I have in trading in my life. So now I'm looking to trade my parents. Maybe for parents in Asia or in Dubai. And why not just trade my kids legally? This is the key of success. You should be committed to trading. People just think about trading in Forex, but in reality, trade everywhere. Exactly.
So that's quite funny about this, right? The other day, when we went to Nottingham, I met this guy, right? And I just found him hilarious from day one when I met him. He's proper done up in all his moody Gucci gear and stuff like that. So I've had a photo with him, like one of you boys have taken a photo of me with him. And I kind of forgot about it, and it was only like the other day. My boy messes about my phone sometimes, and you know when it comes up in like your memories or whatever, it's, or you know, that history thing in your iPhone. It's me and this dude. Like, I can't get rid of it. Every day I wake up, it's me and this. And my son's like, Dad, who's this? It's just me and him in a warehouse together, and I can see my son's head thinking, how's it happened? At what time? And then two just stuck in a warehouse together on their own.
Oh, that's fucking cool.
Very funny man. Very funny man.
I think that ends it. Agree. Cheers, lads.
Before I say you got trading the wife in, because I know my wife famously told us that she was offered to be traded for 20 camels when she was on some holiday years ago, and I'm thinking, what a trade that is, 1 cow for 20 camels. Like,
keep that in. Keep that in.
And
yeah. Woo, someone's gonna be here.
He's had half a Bravo. Fucking hell.